What's up guys, I'm Jake and I want to personally invite you to experience what makes Buckshot Trailers stand out. We're passionate about crafting top tier quality trailers built for adventure and designed to last. In this video, you'll see why we're the best choice for your needs. So watch this video with me to discover the Buckshot difference.
Across the vast American landscape, where the roads stretch for miles and the loads are heavy, one name stands above the rest: Buckshot Trailers. Welcome to Buckshot Trailers, where precision meets strength in every product we create, using only premium materials that ensure long-lasting performance. Behind every Buckshot trailer, there's a dedicated team ensuring that every detail is handled with precision. From the moment you place an order, our experts work to guarantee a seamless process, making sure every customer gets exactly what they need. At Buckshot, we don't just build trailers, we forge reliability. Every inch of steel, every weld, and every component is engineered with one goal in mind: unmatched durability. A trailer is only as good as the materials it's made from. High-strength steel, far superior to conventional alternatives. Our trailers are built to withstand the toughest conditions, ensuring your cargo arrives safely, every time. Our expert welders, trained in the art of craftsmanship, ensure that every seam is strong, every connection flawless. No weak points, no shortcuts, just pure strength in every inch of steel. But strength alone isn't enough. Our state-of-the-art e-coating process, the same technology used in the automotive industry, shields every Buckshot trailer from rust and corrosion, extending its lifespan and keeping it road-ready for years to come. Choosing Buckshot means choosing confidence. Our trailers are designed for those who demand the best: haulers, ranchers, contractors, and industries that rely on strength, innovation, and dependability. At Buckshot, we know that every journey isn't just about the cargo you haul. It's about making it home to the people who matter most. That's why we build trailers you can trust, strong enough to handle any road, reliable enough to bring you back safely, because at the end of the day, nothing is more important than getting home to your family. With Buckshot, you're not just buying a trailer, you're investing in quality, in safety, in a name trusted by professionals across the country. Built strong, built smart, built for the road ahead. This is Buckshot Trailers.